Welcome to FX1 After Effects tutorial. In this episode, we will be learning how to make text write itself. First is to make a composition. Then, put the picture with the text that you wanted to write itself and drag it to the timeline. Click the layer, then hit S on keyboard to reveal the scale setting. Then, adjust it to the size you want. After that, click the pen tool and the world fill to adjust the opacity. Make sure to put it on 0%. Next, click the stroke and put the opacity to 100%. Then, adjust the stroke width depending on the size of your text. After that, start by tracing each letter. Keep in mind that while you're tracing, it doesn't have to be perfect as long as the letters are covered. You can also rename the shape layer, so you won't be confused. When you're done tracing, drop down one of the shape layers, then click Add and look for Trim Path. Drop down Trim Path, then click your stopwatch beside N. Change the value percentage from 100 to 0%. Move your time indicator forward where you wanted it to end. Then, change the value percentage from 0 to 100%. Highlight the two keyframes, right-click, look for Keyframe Assistant, then select Easy Ease or just simply hit F9 in your keyboard. After that, click on Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy the two keyframes. When done copying, select one of the shape layers. Drop down arrow, click on Add, select Trim Path, then press Ctrl-V to paste the effect. Do this process in each of the shape layer. When done pasting to each shape layer, click on the first shape layer, hold Shift, then click the last shape layer. Right-click, select Pre-compose, and then rename it as Letters. And finally, to view your output, click on TRK Matte or Track Matte, then select Alpha Matte Letters. If you can't find the track matte, click Toggle Switch or Mode at the bottom. And that's it! Thank you for watching! See you on the next episode of FX1 After Effects tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be updated for our next tutorial.